Okay guys, so good morning. That is my part of the world. So I have a customer sent in a Samsung phone which she needs unlock from the local carrier, which would be Digicel to Flow. So the phone already contains a Flow SIM and it's asking for a network unlock code. So what I'm gonna do today is show you guys the steps I would take to unlock this phone. It should generally translate to any J7, J8, any other phone of that, these types of phone, right? So I'm gonna go to settings, about, and I want to access the developer option. Okay. And I just want to turn on USB debugging. Right. Then I have my Chimera tool. That is the software I'm going to be using today to do this phone. And of course it's a paid service by Chimera. So hopefully I have enough credits. So the phone is in developer options, developer mode. Let me log into my authenticator. So this is Chimera, the outline. I am going to plug the phone in via the USB. And there we go. Alright. It's going to tell me it's a J7 NEO. And here we go. It's going to load up. Alright. And I do not want to do a software repair, any sort of repair. All I want to do is do a network reset. Since it's asking for a code, then I am going to check the software information to see what is the current update of the phone. So the last security patch is in June 2021. I would have to select a higher or select the dates. Here it's going to cost me 59 credits and 80. So here we go, and it started. It is going to ask me for a couple of service, so I'm going to couple of steps. So let me pause a minute. Phone comes on. Let me pause a minute. Okay, so I am back. I need to get my charger to plug this into the power. So this is what it's looking like. This is the phone screen here. Still asking for the code. So it's going to restart the phone in upload mode. The whole process is sort of automatic, which requires me to do very little other than when the software prompts me to physically do something to the phone screen. So it's crashing the phone modem right now, and it's going to go to the upload mode, which is this mode here. This is upload mode. And it's going to give me this 20% true. Now Chimera is a paid piece of software. Well, in this case I have the authenticator dongle, and you purchase a license, yearly license, and you purchase credit. Each phone to do different services on Samsung, LG, and it's supposed to have a couple other phones. You do have to have a license. There's 3 different packs of license. I think I probably have a premium or something, I'm not sure. But I am also aware that this license is going to finish in June, so I'll probably need to update it. You can purchase your license via, you can use credits. You can, if you have a lot of credits, you can use your credits to re-up your license, or you can purchase a license outright. So this is still at 20%. So the phone is waiting on ADB connection, and it's reading the data now. And this is for this phone. I have a Samsung A207 to remove the Google account lock. I just refurbished the phone, put on a new screen, and the previous seller, I couldn't get a password from him. So I'm gonna refurbish this phone. I put on a new screen. You can see the ink, the glue that I use still on the screen protector that can be popped out. So I'm gonna refurbish this phone and resell this phone to someone, give it a new owner. But this phone is Google lock. Who knows, I may do a video using this same software and how to remove the Google account. I'll think about it. But as it is now, right, this is what it cost me. As I said, they already would have kind of put the credits on hold, so I'm just going to confirm yes, and I'm waiting for the server to respond. Usually if something goes wrong, the credit would reappear on your account or your balance credit. So this is like 88% true. It tells me I may number, the battery status, it's locked, GSM locked, the security patch. Okay, and this would be the list of codes which will work for that phone. And hopefully I remember in what order, so the phone will restart. And I think I just need to put in the master and this in some order. So it's gonna restart, and then it's gonna ask me for the information. I'm just gonna put the information in. But that is basically the process it will take to what I would use to do services. There are a couple of options out there, like you can use Octopus Suit, Octopus Samsung tool. I do have the dongles, the accompanying dongle for this. They do have an FFP tool. You can use to do almost any device that is supported. Right. So here, I do want to cut the video short, so it's going to ask me for the network code, and I am going to type in the network code. 2692 5979. Very fine, and the network unlock was successful, and this little indicator here should go away, and the device should tell me that it is now so let me unlock again. It is now flow. So even though this phone is a digital phone, it is flow. I can also that ends the process basically. If I want, I can also remove the branding, because it's a digital Jamaica. I can move it to any other country. I can put it to unknown if I so choose, but that is not what I was paid to do. I can also pull up the information on the phone here. So this will give me, that'll be what I did today. It's a Digicel Jamaica security patch. It's the same as there. It's a GSM type. Basically that is it. And basically this phone is done. I would just check the balance to make sure that it does give me a possible balance. Wow, and it does have some minutes on the SIM. So that is what I would use to unlock a Samsung phone that comes in for a network unlock. This is my dongle here. This is the software. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.